Hello, it's one already, and today is 17th of December 2019. Let's see a quick way to download video from Facebook. You don't need any software. So browse to Facebook and search for any video you want to download. And when it starts to play, right click and then copy the link. That's the first thing we need. The second thing we need is your Facebook cookie. So I'm using Chrome, and Chrome, if you press F12, it will take you to the developer tool, switch to network, and then refresh your page so that you can get the latest cookie at the top. That's if you scroll. So I'm scrolling right to the top, and the first one, that's what I need. I'll right click it, and then there are different copies here. What we need is the URL copy. So I've gotten the link to the video, I've gotten the cookie. I want the video on desktop, so I'll open command prompt and type YouTube DL, check for errors, and then first enter the link of the video. So let's go and copy that one here. This is the cookie I copied. So we need the link to the video. Then we add a header, which is the cookie, and the cookie we need everything from here, from the beginning of the code to the end of the code. What you want to copy is where this word begins, cookie, and you want everything in between the opening code and the ending code. We copy that one, then we paste it here in quotes. You press enter, and that's it. You are done. It's downloading the video. It's done. So if you check your desktop, I hope you've enjoyed it, and if it's helpful, do well to share with someone so that the person too will benefit. Enjoy your day.